So how are you going, everybody? Welcome back. Well, you see, we are nothing these days in the garden. Stop plant for a little while. You know, we ain't getting water now, boy. So we're going only back there. See if I can show you how the place get. A long time we ain't do no video now. Right. So at the crack, plenty of people was asking me what going on. So you know, I now come home. So I'm come down the back and show you what going on. Everything the hurricane going through. Right. So we have a little fig and thing here. Come to cut this fig down just now. Let me show you. I'm putting them massacring. See it? Right. Come to cut this one down. And this one here. And so the place drying up. Place real dry, no water. I come for this bunch here. And that bunch riding. Yeah. I have a muck on the next side here. Right, see how the garden going. I have a bunch of muck already. Coming to cut down there in a little bit. Right, so there's how the garden going these days. I'm making a name in my garden. I was working a little bit now, so you know, I didn't get time to come and cut and thing, but I'm coming down today. See it? Not sure the figures. Nah. So they're ripe already now. See it? Good, and I'm eating it. What's this one here? Like ripe already. Let me see what's going on there. See it? Quite a ripe. Sell that this weekend here. Make a little extra money now. Right. So let me go and come back. And I'll cut it. And I'll go show you what we're doing.